Kiana, Tommy.
So in today's video, I am attempting to use Rit Color Remover on an old wig of mine. You see the lovely blue? Looking like a blueberry. So I am attempting to remove this color off of this wig. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so I got this lovely pot here, and I am pouring a little bit of the remover in here. You see I don't even pour that much. And I bring the pot to a boil. Boom, there goes my wig. I just put it all in there. No preference, I just dumped the whole wig in there. From what I just did. So I boiled the hair while I put the Rit dye remover, fabric remover, whatever, in the pot, and I boiled that twice. So as y'all could see, at first it instantly lifted, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's blonde. Like, I was so excited. And then as I shampooed it, all the color went back on the blonde pieces. So that's when I decided to do it again. But now that I'm looking at it, now it looks neon. Like, this is low-key a vibe in itself, y'all. I wasn't expecting this, but this is not bad. This is not bad at all. But this is not what I wanted, so I'm gonna do something to this. I feel like I'm in like a Nicki Minaj video or something with this color. But anywho, back to my steps. So yeah, I wanted to take that horrendous blue, green, like I wanted to take that off of the wig and recreate it to something I could actually wear, because I never actually wore that wig. I attempted to wear it, and I never did because the color was just too bold for me. I don't know what I was thinking. Y'all just be doing things sometimes, experimenting like how I'm doing it today on this wig right here. So that's the reason I had that wig, and I decided to recreate it to this because I just running out of things to do. So yeah, this color is interesting. I wouldn't expect that I would get this color from that, but hey, this is when you live and you learn. But the Rit remover, dye remover, is inexpensive. It's about $5 from what I remember. If I find the price, I'm gonna link it below. And if you have an old wig at your home, you want to recreate it, just go ahead and get the Rit remover, Rit dye remover. But I would say it smells horrible. Okay, I didn't lit a candle. I couldn't. Yeah, it smells bad. Like, my hair, I know after this I'm gonna have to deep condition my hair a whole lot because the smell is just so strong. I don't know how to describe the smell. It's just a smell I do not like, nor would you like. It's just a really strong, heavy, overwhelming smell. So that's the major con of this remover. This wig as well, I think this was the first wig I ever sewn on the sewing machine too, y'all. If I was to show y'all the underside, you'd probably be looking at me crazy. I know when I first made this wig, I had a lot of dye on the lace. It was intense. The sewing machine kept getting jammed. Even right now, a lot of the lace tore. I guess because of the weight of the water was lifting the lace, as y'all can see. So that's gonna be my experiment right now, is to recreate this wig, because I love making wigs, as y'all do know. So, and I'm also thinking of recoloring this hair too. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what color I'm thinking, but just stay tuned and see how I decide to jazz this hair up some. I went ahead and made my wig off camera, but I wanted to show y'all a little peek of what I did. This is the guidelines I made in order to make the wig I have now. It's a new method and I actually like it. I might make another video showing you exactly what I did. Hey y'all, okay, so I came back to give y'all an update on my uncoloring process. So I wanted to show y'all the unit, and I will say I'm impressed. I really am impressed. I never knew it would look this color. It's giving me an aquamarine, you know, a teal type of color. And I really didn't expect that. I really wanted it to be blonde so I could start from scratch, but this color, like I told y'all, it's just fine with me. Let me think. I am a little disappointed that it didn't go all the way back to its 613 state. I don't know if y'all noticed in the video that it did go really blonde. All the color lifted from the hair, but as I shampooed it again, the spots that the color was still left on and just went back onto the blonde sections of the hair. So I don't know how to avoid that, y'all. If y'all don't have any more tips, let me know so I could use that for future reference. Please put it in my comments. I'm thinking if I did the Rit Color remover, I should have took like a napkin or something to lift up the blue in the pot. Or maybe I try to do it in sections, like one half of the hair I do the Rit and then I flip it to the other section. Y'all, none of that worked. I don't know, maybe I overly colored it to begin with and then the color just would not come off. I don't know, guys, but I know y'all saw in the video how it did get really blonde, but unfortunately the color just didn't want to leave this wig. So like I said, I am happy with this color as of now, but I'm feeling really creative, guys. Just so stay tuned to see what else I could come up with. But things can go anywhere. It's not like I work into the grocery store, or will I? Now that I styled it, the hair feels good. I do believe because I boiled it twice, I kind of compromised the hair more than it already was, being that it's a 613 blonde. So boiling your hair at high temperatures back to back you will see some damage in your hair. That's just how it is, and I feel like I should have never done it twice, maybe once, but I did it twice. So that is the reason why I believe I suffered from a lot of shedding. But it wasn't that much shedding that my hair just looks thin. I mean, you could look right here. It's still, I want to make sure it focuses. But yeah, it still looks full enough to be styled. I have no complaints with it right now, being that it's an old unit and I remade it and transformed it. Y'all can't tell me I'm not Nicki Minaj. Okay, I'm like really impressed with my work. But I think I might style it some more. I don't know. But y'all stay tuned. There's so much you could do when you have like colored hair. I could color it darker. I could cut it. Just stay tuned, y'all. But this kept me busy over this quarantine. If you want to see some more hair transformation videos, please leave it in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe. All my videos already. Thank you guys for tuning in.